Hello everyone, I Pratishtha Pathik welcome you to my channel and thank you very much for watching the previous vlog. It is about the International Tourism Mart organized by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India as well as Government of Nagaland, wherein Association of Indian Universities selected 50 students from all over the India for the very first time to participate in this tourism mart, explore the exotic, wonderful Nagaland and promote the tourism of our beautiful Northeast India. And so in the last vlog you watched how we traveled from our own Vanasthali Vidyapeeth to Nagaland and we were welcomed warmly by the locals there and we were very happy, and this vlog will take you further into the beautiful landscapes of Nagaland, and we were in Kohima on day 2. So let us proceed. So good morning, it is our day 2 in Kohima, Nagaland. And we are out for exploring the local market here and some shopping.
I'm Ayushi.
Yes, that's Ayushi. She is Anupriya. And I'm Pratishtha. Hey Riya, come into the vlog. That is Riya. And we'll be showing you some of the natural beauty here. Nagaland and we are out for exploring. We have our wonderful, beautiful people here and ma'am, Rekha ma'am and Kinshit ma'am with us, and everyone else can cheer out there.
We are having a beautiful morning. Yes. Sunny morning in Kohima, and it's a beautiful place, beautiful people, amazing hospitality, and our team is enjoying a lot. Cheers!
This is Astha, this is Riya, Dharitri, and rest all you know. So let's go and explore. बहुत ही सुंदर है ये जगह. It's so beautiful that we have to stop and capture everything, especially this plant. This beautiful plant is so beautiful. Full of freshness and total hill vibes are here. ये ठंडी हवा चल रही है और धूप भी है और बस नज़ारे देखते ही बनते हैं. बहुत ही खूबसूरत वादियाँ हैं कोहिमा की. One must come to Nagaland and explore this, beautiful natural treasure. Lot of beautiful flowers and very captivating. So after this we went to Hotel Ariel where we met another team members, trip members, and we interacted with each other and shared the plan and everything, and we had a lunch there. And after that we got ready for the inaugural session of this 9th International Tourism Mart, which was held at the State Banquet Hall and Chief Minister's Residence Complex in Kohima, which was full of grandeur and enhanced our excitement. एंड सबसे खूबसूरत बात यह है कि शाम के 4:30 बजे कोहिमा में इतना अंधेरा हो जाता है जितना उत्तर भारत में शायद रात के 8 बजे होता हो। यही तो खूबसूरती है भारत की। वी वर ऑल वेरी सरप्राइज्ड एंड देन वी वेंट there, attended the function where we met people from all over the India and especially the lovely, wonderful people of Northeast India. So 50 students from different Indian universities were selected and invited by Association of Indian Universities for the very first time in this International Tourism Mart, and we all met there, attended it together. So there we could actually sense unity in diversity, and it was a very, very happy space. We were very excited. People from Northeast and especially from Nagaland, they were very, very hospitable, very warm, and it was a happy space. And there we also got to meet and interact with Secretary of Ministry of Tourism of Government of India, Sri Arvind Singh ji, as well as Additional Director General Rupinder Brar ma'am.
So right now we are at the State Banquet Hall of Kohima. We all have gathered here for press conference and Chief Minister's residence. And there are a lot of officials here and even members. And the event is about to begin. We are very excited, isn't it? Yes.
Please on the stage, Excellencies, senior government officials from central ministries and the northeastern states, distinguished delegates, students, respected members of the press and media, ladies and gentlemen. I have the proud privilege today in welcoming you all to the 9th International Tourism Mart for the Northeastern region, which is being organized by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, in association with Nagaland Tourism, Incredible India, Dekho Apna Desh, celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. पर्यटन मंत्रालय भारत सरकार द्वारा आयोजित पूर्वोत्तर देश क्षेत्रों के लिए 9वें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पर्यटन मार्ट में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है. The International Tourism Mart are organized in the northeastern states on a rotation basis, and Nagaland is hosting this mart for the first time.
Rupinder Brar, officials from the Government of India, officials from the Government of Nagaland, led by the Chief Secretary and Mr. Kito, who's the Secretary here, and other officials, friends, ladies and gentlemen, representatives of media, and of course, the young students who have traveled for the first time as ambassadors to this festival and this event today. A warm welcome from all of us from the Government of India. All the representatives who have come from various parts of the country, welcome. I'm glad to see the good number of delegates who have come from all over the country. Your dedication and support for the ITM means a great deal to us, especially in these challenging COVID times. The Ministry of Tourism, along with the northeastern states, has been organizing international tourism marts to promote the tourism potential of the northeast region of India. This is the biggest travel and tour networking event in the northeastern region of the country. The rich natural beauty, serenity, and exotic flora and fauna of northeastern India are invaluable resources for the development of tourism, especially ecotourism. And students will also take back the rich experience of local flavors back to their university, back to their families, and back to their friends.
And friends, this evening was followed by a cultural program presented by the Northeast Indian people.
Jesus in
And after this, we were invited for dinner and then returned to our hotels to again get back with a very eventful day and very exciting day ahead. So friends, I really hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do share this video, like it, comment below and let me know, and please subscribe for the upcoming interesting videos. Thank you so much.